I got it now. After spotting the illuminated craft near Redfish Point with a few other investigators, Hawkins drives his car as far as he can before being blocked by trees.
I can't drive, man, to get to zoom in here at the same time. Get out, man. Get out.
Braving mosquitoes and thorny vines to get closer, Hawkins does everything he can to keep the porthole-encircled UFO in frame. His running description is breathtaking.
I got it now. Whoa. That's it, man. That's it. That's it. Man, did you see it blink off? Oh, killer, man. We got it, man. That thing's for real. There's vines and crap. There it is. Come on, focus. Focus, focus. Check that out. Check that out. It's right over the bay. Hope we can see reference points in this video. Telling you. We can see reference points. I see trees. They have reference points. This thing takes off. It's no kind of video. Get out. Get out. Killer. This thing is real. It can't be no balloon. It's no balloon, man. It's no balloon. That is real. That's a real thing, dude. That is the real thing. Where the hell did it go? Gone, man. Gone.
Hawkins was able to videotape the bizarre craft extremely close up and had it perfectly in frame just as it seems to vanish in the blink of an eye.